I have to change the. Okay, so Kim Yang, you translate for.
ចាគាត់ថានឹងមានការផ្លាស់ប្ដូរក្រុមការបន្តិចគឺមាន2ថ្ងៃហ្នឹងគឺមានតែ teacher Kim Yan និងគាត់ទេចាហើយក្រៅពីហ្នឹងសម្រាប់ក្រុមរបស់យើងចា
So you think I'm good thinking about the day. I'm not online with all the group with Kim Yang only. Monday, Friday. Okay.
Friday.
Yeah. What do you think? And Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday for our group because I want to focus to find the people Canada and USA for all of us. And if we have a commission, we want to share with you too, and that help you keep going. Okay, but if you really want this business, build it. I suggest you can work. You can work any type of your job. Make for your money to live in right away. But if you want to sell different products, you should get another Facebook. Don't meet together. If you meet together, the people confusing, and then the people don't trust you because you don't judge new skin. Okay, so you can do any product you want out there, but if you really trust me and trust this company, you should focus only one. But I'm not just say you just do what I'm saying. You can do anything your choice, but I suggest you have to do separate Facebook. Facebook free for you create, create a Facebook. You don't have to pay, but you have to do separate product, separate marketing. Don't mix together. If people don't trust you, you cannot make more money than $1,000. I'm guaranteed with you. Okay, you can show them your name brand, your social life, who you are, but not sell same different name of product. When you know what, a new skin, and you not join new skin yet, but for me, if I do another product in my Facebook, I'm sign agreement when I'm join new skin. If I do another marketing, they will don't let me work anymore new skin. Okay, because it's the same network marketing. They just want me to focus, don't make the people confuse their product with somebody's product. So I'm not allowed. For the people who really get serious with new skin, who really make a money, a leader of new skin, they don't do another network. And new skin not allowed for them to do. So for you, you not have the ID from new skin yet. You can do it. But when you successful new skin, you see the people new skin, they don't do not a network. Because when the new skin you successful, you have the name brand, the new skin will not let you to keep continue or with new skin. You can sell that account, but you cannot continue. So I want you, if you do anything you want, just separate for beginning. Let people not confusing, but trust me, I'll try my best to help you make a $1,000 for a month. So I have to change the plan. And I was thinking, because we have too much time, we've been working 3 months, I don't see anything new people for us, right? So I and Kim Yang, we talk English, I talk Cambodia, I talk Vietnamese together. So we use product, we're looking for the people, we do more work for you. And then we have more people join. We keep that for you, okay? When the market open, we save that people that for you because you've been with us. And trust me, I give you more than you think if we have more, okay? So that's what my plan for new plan. So 3 days for our group. If we have 10, 20 people, 50 people, we do every day, okay? So now for beginning, I have to separate now because last 3 months we don't see a lot of resort. Okay, so Kim Yang, you translate a little bit for Andre understand? Yeah.
ắt ba micro không vậy dạ có tha chưa quạt mà nè tầng óc kia chưa quạt nè tầng óc kia chưa nên lơ phải là tập hòn mùi nâng nè tầng óc kia trong chốt chay nên lơ bị thay mùi nâng chẳng quạt sông này nằm mình men tha ao bom ôn trâu tại phơi chẳng tiền nơi không Facebook របស់បងប្អូនហ្នឹងបើសិនជាបងប្អូនមានមុខរបរអីផ្សេងក៏យើង separate បានន័យថាយើងចែកឲ្យដាច់ពី new skin ហើយនឹង Facebook របស់យើងដើម្បីអីកុំឲ្យគេ confuse បានន័យថាគេយល់ច្រឡំគេច្បុកច្បល់ថាម្នាក់ហ្នឹងរកស៊ីអីឬក៏ម្នាក់ហ្នឹងចង់ចែកនិយាយពីអីអញ្ចឹងណាគាត់ចង់វាអញ្ចឹងហើយគាត់អត់បានបខំពួកយើងទេហ្នឹងហើយគាត់ចំណុចហ្នឹងគាត់ថាគាត់អត់បានបខំពួកយើងទេហើយគាត់ថាបើអ្នកដែលជោគជ័យដោយពួកគាត់ចឹងមាន ID ចុះជាសមាជិករបស់ក្រុមហ៊ុន New Skin គឺគាត់ sign agreement ហ្នឹងគឺកិច្ចព្រមព្រៀងជាមួយក្រុមហ៊ុន New Skin ហ្នឹងជាមួយសមាជិកហ្នឹងយើងមិនអាចផ្សាយនៅផលិតផលផ្សេងទេបើយើងផ្សាយនៅផលិតផលផ្សេងគឺគាត់អត់អនុញ្ញាតដោយសារអីក្រុមហ៊ុនហ្នឹងគឺក្រុមហ៊ុន marketing គឺប្រព័ន្ធតាក់ទងគ្នាទូទាំងពិភពលោកបើសិនជាយើងខុសអីផ្ដេសផ្ដាស់ទៅវាមិនគ្នាអញ្ចឹងទៅអ្នកដែលតាមយើងហ្នឹងគេអត់ដឹងថាយើងរកស៊ីអីប៉ុន្តែអត់ចាំបាច់ថាយើងត្រូវចោលឲ្យ Facebook ហ្នឹងទេ Facebook ហ្នឹងយើងរកស៊ីនៅតែរកស៊ីទៅប៉ុន្តែយើងធ្វើ Facebook មួយទៀតព្រោះ Facebook ហ្នឹងយើងអាចបង្កើត free បានអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនសង្ឃឹមថាបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាគឺចេះបង្កើត Facebook មួយទៀតហើយអញ្ចឹងណាគាត់ចង់ប្រាប់អញ្ចឹងហ្នឹងហើយឥឡូវយើងអត់ទាន់មាន ID ព្រោះក្រុមហ៊ុនអត់ទាន់មាននៅស្រុកខ្មែរហើយគាត់ថាគាត់និយាយបញ្ជាក់ម្ដងទៀតថាគាត់ចំណាយពេល3ថ្ងៃជាមួយក្រុមរបស់យើង2ថ្ងៃជាមួយ Teacher Kim Yan ដើម្បីចេញមកធ្វើវីដេអូ live ដើម្បីប្រម៉ូនៅសមាជិកផ្សេងទៀតនៅកាណាដាហើយនិង US នៅប្រទេសផ្សេងទៀតដើម្បីគាត់រក្សាមនុស្សទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងឲ្យទៅអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាពេលដែលមានទីផ្សារបើកទៅស្រុកខ្មែរអញ្ចឹងគឺគាត់កំពុងតែរកឱកាសឲ្យពួកយើងធ្វើម៉េចឲ្យពួកយើងហ្នឹងជឿមកលើគាត់ថាគាត់ចង់ជួយឲ្យបងប្អូនរកពីមួយខែ 1000 ទៅ 5000 ដុល្លារអញ្ចឹងបើយើងមិនធ្វើមិនអនុវត្តមិនបញ្ចេញសកម្មភាពនោះយើងមិនអាចកើតឡើងទេអញ្ចឹងយើងត្រូវតែធ្វើណាចា
So that the 2-day I and Kim Yan do your guy don't have to do is share okay share for what we do together one day we do the product and looking for people one day we have the for help the people teach them how to do social media okay and then I and Kim Yan help them and then they can follow us even speaking too like help them how to talk like we for beginning we don't know how to talk and then you can listen and how to post everything for they learn and they follow us okay
ពីថ្ងៃដែលយើងធ្វើហ្នឹងអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាមិនបាច់ជួបនៅក្នុង Zoom ធ្វើវីដេអូ live ទេប៉ុន្តែបងប្អូនជួយ share វីដេអូហ្នឹងដើម្បីឲ្យមានមនុស្សមើលច្រើនដើម្បីឲ្យមានអ្នកចូលដាក់ទុនរកស៊ីទៅពួកយើងបាន benefit ពួកយើងនឹងចែកទៅដល់បងប្អូនបើយើងអត់មាន benefit ទេធ្វើម៉េចពួកយើងនឹងមានលុយណាចែកឲ្យបងប្អូនអញ្ចឹងណាហ្នឹងហើយ
okay so you can have only 3-day work you don't have to work too hard until but you have to learn everything we stand or everything we talk you have to practice okay
ហើយគាត់ថាឈប់2ថ្ងៃ ប៉ុន្តែអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាមានពេលសម្រាប់ខ្លួនឯងប៉ុន្តែបងប្អូនត្រូវតែអនុវត្តហើយរៀនហើយអនុវត្តធ្វើវាទៅហើយរៀនបន្ថែមអញ្ចឹងណាគាត់ថាអញ្ចឹង
Yeah, one
ខ្ញុំតែងតែរំលឹកចឹងបើយើងរៀនហើយយើងអត់បានអនុវត្តយើងនឹងភ្លេចហើយបើយើងធ្វើទៅវាខុសយើងនឹងកែនឹងកំហុសរបស់យើងហ្នឹងហើយ
Remember this, I told you yesterday, you think big and roll it together, you know, because if you want to be successful, you have to looking for the company, big company and famous company and successful people, really successful, not like the people just show you on the social media, fake a lot of fake, okay? And we don't fake, okay? We are real people. So you have to smart, okay? You have to think about, okay, you put your time, you put your, you know, your hope, your dream, and you have to focus, and you have to see how the people try to help you. Work with their heart. Don't look around and then you confused and you don't know what you want. You never be successful. Okay, I'm simple. I make a $10,000 per month. At least you get your goal to make like 1,000 and 5,000. Because I look at the people make 100,000 for a month. I want to be make 100,000 per month. Okay, I'm not 1 or 10. I'm not look at the people make a 5,000. No, it's not my level anymore, right? So that's why I want you to think big. Follow the people who make more money, who can accept you. Okay, so you see so many people they make even $1,000. They just say, "Oh, I did that." Okay, so you have to think about, you know, who you can trust and focus. Okay, so that's what I want to tell you now. Yeah.